Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video, we will show you the benefits of fenugreek seed hair mask. I call this recipe Miracle Hair Mask because it helps with so many hair issues. It's also one of the most popular hair masks with the Indian women, because of its amazing beauty and healing effects. Benefits of Miracle Hair Mask: reduces hair loss, prevents dandruff and promotes healthy scalp, encourages faster hair growth, moisturizes hair and leaves it feeling soft, shiny and smooth, strengthens hair shaft and adds volume to your hair, tames frizz and flyaways, greatly reduces split ends and hair breakage, makes detangling really easy, helps prevent hair thinning that occurs due to menopause. The good thing about the Miracle Hair Mask is that it works for all hair types. Whether your hair is dry or oily, fine or coarse, frizzy or damaged, everyone can use it. How to make the Miracle Hair Mask. You will need 1 tablespoon fenugreek seed powder, 5 to 6 tablespoons yogurt, use plain, whole fat, 1 to 2 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil or castor oil, 1 teaspoon shiitake powder, optional, gives hair body and bounce, 1 teaspoon amla powder, optional, helps to darken hair, 1/4 cup water, optional, to thin out the mixture. Mix all the 3 ingredients in a bowl, cover with a lid and set aside of 2 to 3 hours. During this time fenugreek seed powder will swell, and the entire mixture will thicken up and become slightly slimy. If you think the mixture is too thick to apply, add a few tablespoons of water to make the mixture more creamy. How to use. Start with dry or damp hair. Apply this mask to your scalp and hair. Put on your shower cap or wrap your head in a muslin cloth or a towel. You can also leave your hair uncovered as this mixture won't drip. Leave this on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse off thoroughly. Wash with a natural shampoo and let your hair dry naturally. Do this mask once a week to restore